Yo, what's up? What's up? How you guys doing today, man? On this Friday, man. Friday, that's what I'm talking about. Yo, if you guys got kids, go watch that movie Lion King. That thing is the thing, man. You know what I'm saying? If you about 30 to 35 years old or any age, man, Lion King cartoon movie, that was the thing back in the day, man. And this new movie they did was the graphics was pretty incredible, man. It was a pretty good movie. The way they did everything was pretty cool. So if you guys got kids or whatever, you and wifey, go check it out, man. It was a good movie. Just want to let you guys know about that. Uh, let's get to the searches. There's about 32,000 loads on the board. Let me do a search. Let me do a refresh. Keep going up and down. Keep going up and down. It's Friday, so you know how it goes. If you don't got your loads booked for Monday or Tuesday by like Wednesday, Friday you get all the leftover, crumbs and stuff like that. So remember, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give it a like if you can. You know what I'm saying? Let's give it a like. If you can, please. I really appreciate that. Somebody wanted to search for Western 11 states, basically like, New Mexico, California, Western states over there. So we're going to do that search for them. I'll put 2.50 cents a mile. I put down van. Remember, guys, if you guys need to tell me is a van or 50 or a flatbed, if not, I'm just going to put down van, I might just put flatbed too. Forget it. But there you go. Let's see what we got. Alright, damn, look at this load. Oh, that's going to Alaska. Yeah. $14,000. Man. Okay. Just keep going down. Let's keep going down. Ontario, okay. That's paying real good. Damn, that's paying really good. Let's see what we got. That's some more okay lows here. I mean, at least the rate's going a little bit higher. That's a good thing. Little by little, man. Little by little, it's gonna rise, and it should be good. A lot of these days are a little bit far away, but I just want to, just show you guys some of the rates here and there. This is a good load here. Pick it up on the 26th. Oh, this is already late. Oh, it's today. 26th today. My bad. Pick it up 26th and I deliver, I guess, Monday. Or the 29th. What's 29th? 26th? Oh, yeah, it's Tuesday. Damn, that's paying pretty good. Take about 2 days to do this load. Not bad. I wouldn't mind doing that load. Let's see what else we got here. I don't know, you guys see it, man. I'm doing this, guys, for you guys, so you guys check the rates. Doesn't look that bad. Now let's do next one is Philly. Let's check it out. All right, Newark to Fort Lauderdale. That's FedEx lowest right there. Philadelphia to Memphis. Look at the dates on these. Okay, this is a good one. Adamstown to Maine, $1,700. It got one stop in it. What else we got? It's not bad. I mean, the rates don't look that bad. Let's see. Adamstown to Millbury, Mass. That's okay. What else we got? Let's see. Now the rate's going down, but the line haul is going down a little bit. Baltimore to Brooklyn. You got some tolls going that way. You got tolls, Brooklyn, you got some tolls going over there, so you gotta look at that stuff too, Pittman to Baltimore, 95 miles, $854. That's a good load, That's a real good load. 1 day. Well, pick up, deliver the next day. That's 2 days or whatever, but by the time you unload, you can book another load, keep on moving. Phyllis Hills, PA to Plainfield, Connecticut. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, but this is the searches of Philly. Don't look that bad. Look okay, you know. Don't look that bad. Looks alright, man. Looks alright. Let's click out. Let's do another search here. I got a couple more searches, man. I'm actually stuck in Connecticut until I get 10 hours off. So, I'll be here for a little bit. So I was like, man, let me do something today, you know? Allentown, PA. Damn, come on, spell this thing right, boy. Allentown, PA. You ain't gotta do that far. You do 50 miles there. Let's click everywhere. They wanted to do van and reefers. Yo, I haven't even seen a reefer truck, yo, a Landstar reefer truck yet. I haven't seen one yet, so I don't know, man. Maybe it's a good thing if you get a reef. I'm not sure, you know. There's a San Diego, California to Lubbock, California. Now I did this videos in a couple different parts because had a couple distraction over here where I'm at park. But so if it looks all a little bit weird, it's because I had to, you know, put them all different together, you know. So this San Diego to Lubbock, California. So let's check it out. There's only 34 loads there. Not a lot of loads, and ain't paying that much good. So ain't paying that good. So oh, Chino, California. Okay, that's where the Ball brothers, the Ball family's coming out of. Man, them kids was balling back in them high school days. Chino. All right, man, that don't look that good, brother. PG, don't look too good. Let's see. I know you want to stay local, man, but you probably gonna have to go a little bit farther or go to a different location. You know what I'm saying? You know, go a little bit farther or something. I mean, you can still do local, just not to San Diego, go somewhere else. You feel me? 28 loads. There you go. This is a little bit better. I mean, the top 3 is not that bad. Or it's damn. Pick up 26. Oh yeah. Picking up Friday, deliver Monday, so it's alright, you know. That's how you do it. Scroll down real quick. Yeah, that's it, man. Yo, listen, you guys enjoy the day with your family, man. Take them out somewhere, do something fun, man. It's nice out here. Enjoy it while you can, and listen. Hopefully, you guys have a good weekend. If anything, email me or give me, you know, put a text on a comment, and then I'll get back to you. And like and subscribe to the video if you can. Please appreciate it, man. Just hit that button one time and appreciate that. All right, man. Y'all be safe. Thank you.